All right, this is the July 16th GreatStockPicks.com highlights from the day, where we try to put out a daily video to show some of our low-risk calls that yielded nice results. Okay, this is the spiders. You can see yesterday's close 5-minute candles. All right, options expiration today. So to quote Phoebe from Friends, options expiration often yields squinky action. All right. Actually, squinky has become a staple in our room. We use the word all the time. But straight down from the open, and then just a lot of sideways. Looks like we're going to break out of the base, then break down. And we did break down, but then look, I mean, it wasn't a hard sell-off. This is literally just a slow bleed the rest of the day, making most stocks untradeable. Okay, most stocks follow the S&P. So not a lot of highlights from the day, but we did catch, again, we always look for anomalies, okay? Things that are, moving, extended one direction or the other, and forming formations or setups that we've come to learn to identify over the years we've been doing this. So I'm going to share a couple with you today. Mosaic, just to highlight the low risk emphasis in our room. Excuse me there. All right, Mosaic, very strong all day, just running and running and running. And we called it as a short. We did it again. We caught it within 5 minutes of the top on a break of this candle's low. Short trigger right there. Worst case stop right above that little narrow candle. So we caught it within 5 minutes of the high of the day. The actual trigger was 44.86 to short it right here, and it did fall to 44.07 at one point for a 79-cent move in our favor. But the beauty of it was on 9 cents risk that never got stopped out. 9 cents risk on a $44 stock. That's phenomenal that we that we caught that. That usually you're going to have a wider stop, I would think, with most stock callers, but we were patient. We wait for these kind of setups to occur. So we're not rapid fire calling by any stretch. But if you're patient, you can find things like Mosaic and this APOL. We did it again. Called it as a short on a break of this candle's low. Give you the numbers here. There was the short. Here's the worst case stop. Caught it within 5 minutes of the high of the day. The short call, 46.82 right here. And this thing fell to 45.52. $1.30 in our favor on 24 cents risk, where the stop was. Stop never got hit. So there's a couple nice highlights from the day. And after looking at the S&P chart, I think you can see why this chart stood out. Just running all day, and then made the move that we look for, and that we teach our members to look for, and perfect setup there. So I'm not going to ramble on, because I don't even think I made one call this afternoon after the lunchtime slowdown break. Came back, and with that slow bleed down in the SPY, I don't think I made one call. So looking forward to Monday. Have a great weekend, and we'll put out another video then.